Welcome to this lesson on how to drill down on XLGL worksheet functions. In this lesson, we will learn how to see the detailed transaction list that makes up the amount reported by an XLGL worksheet function. Whenever an XLGL function reports an amount, it is possible to drill down and see the list of transactions that make up that amount. Before doing a drill down, please make sure you have connected to your Sage 50 company data. Instructions on how to connect are available in a previous video. For example, on this departmental income statement, we may be interested in knowing why there is an unallocated amount. Click the cell, then click Drill Down on the XLGL ribbon. The drill down window comes up with detailed information on the unallocated transaction. Let's try another one. Click Close, then select another amount for which you believe there are many transactions. In our case, we'll click on cell D14. Note that to drill down, you can also right-click on a cell and select XLGL Drill Down. The drill down window comes up with detailed transaction information. If you wish to see debits and credits instead of a single amount column, click on Debit Credit. You can also hide corrections to remove any corrective entries. To further analyze the list of transactions, you can export it to a worksheet by clicking Export to Worksheet. Select where you want to export and click OK. Close the drill down window. You now have access to the transactions as a table in Excel. You can, for example, put an autofilter to help you analyze the result, then select a single customer to highlight the transaction pertaining to it. This has been a lesson on how to drill down on XLGL worksheet functions. Continue watching to learn more about XLGL and how you can use it to achieve outstanding reports.